Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland has informed that Co-Win portal will be open from 9 a.m. tomorrow for registration and booking of slots for 18 to 45 years age group. Slots will be open for online registration for vaccination days from 28 to 30th of this month in 11 districts across the state. In a press release, State Immunization Officer Dr. Rita Tour said that on-site registration and vaccination are available at the vaccination centres for both 45 plus age group and 18 to 44 years in rural health units. In this regard, Dr. Tour has asked the public to contact respective district immunization officers and medical officers in charge of community health centres and primary health centres to ascertain the days on which COVID-19 vaccination will be conducted. Centre has announced tax exemption for expenditure on COVID-19 treatment and ex-gratia received on death due to COVID-19. Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur said many taxpayers have received financial help from their employers and well-wishers for meeting their expenses incurred for treatment of COVID-19. He said in order to ensure that no income tax liability arises on this account, it has been decided to provide income tax exemption to the amount received by a taxpayer for medical treatment from employer or from any person for treatment of COVID-19 during financial year 2019-20 and subsequent years. Thakur said the centre has also decided to provide income tax exemption to ex-gratia payment received by family members of a person from the employer of such person or from other person on the death of a person on account of COVID-19 during 2019-20 and subsequent years. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is being observed today. The day is observed on 26 June every year as an effort to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. On the occasion, the Nagaland State Excise Department has appealed to the people and all organizations and NGOs working in the related field to put a concerted effort to eradicate the dreaded drug menace from the society. A press release from Commissioner of Excise and Prohibition Hotolu Su stated that illegal dealing in drugs in any form is prohibited and punishable under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. The Commissioner said the department is keeping strict vigil round the clock to check illegal trafficking of drugs in the state with all its available resources. The State Directorate of Economics and Statistics will celebrate National Statistics Day on 29 June along with the rest of the country. The theme for this year is End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improved Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture. To commemorate the day, a video conferencing program is being organized by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation with various eminent speakers. The event will be chaired by Director General, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Dr. Shailja Sharma. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio tomorrow at 11 a.m. It will be the 78th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of All India Radio and Doordarshan and also on All India Radio News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of All India Radio, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. All India Radio will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will be repeated at 8 in the evening. And as the nation gears up for the free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years, we advise our listeners to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 4 simple steps. wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 239 78046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.